Think of how great it would be when technology works for you, making your life easier at every turn. Welcome to the world of tech life hacks. In this realm, we transform ordinary tools into allies, redefining the way we interact with technology. Tech life hacks are all about making the most of the gadgets and platforms we use daily. They save us time, enhance our productivity, and let's face it, they make us feel like wizards in a world of muggles. In this video, we'll explore some really good life hacks, from smartphone tricks that'll make you the master of your mobile device, to computer shortcuts that'll have you zipping through tasks at lightning speed. We're about to redefine the way you work, play, and everything in between. So get ready to revolutionize your tech experience one hack at a time. Your smartphone, a device you use every day, holds hidden knowledge waiting to be uncovered. Let's start with Androids. Ever find yourself in a race against time with a dying battery? There's a hack for that. Switch your phone to airplane mode before plugging it in, and voila, your phone charges twice as fast. Ever been swamped with notifications that just won't let you focus? Here's a little trick. Long press on the notification and you'll be able to tweak its settings, mute it, or even turn it off completely. Now let's take a quick dive into the world of hidden features. Did you know your Android has a built-in nightlight? Just head over to the settings, tap on display, and there you will find the nightlight option that turns your screen amber, making it easier on your eyes after sundown. Now, if you're an Apple fan, don't worry. We've got some juicy hacks for your iOS device too. To start, did you know your iPhone can charge faster if you switch it to airplane mode? Yep, the same trick works here too. And speaking of notifications, iOS has a cool feature where you can group them by app. Just go to Settings, then Notifications, and toggle on Group by App. And for the hidden gem, did you know your iPhone has a built-in measuring tool? It's called Measure, and you can find it in your Utilities folder. It uses augmented reality to measure objects in the real world. Pretty cool, right? But here's the real kicker. Both Android and iOS have a plethora of hidden features and shortcuts that can be accessed with just a few taps or swipes. From secret games to accessibility options, there's a lot hidden away just out of sight. With these hacks, your smartphone just became your new best friend. Whether you're an Android enthusiast or an iPhone loyalist, these tricks can help you navigate your device like a pro, and maybe even impress your friends with your tech-savvy skills. Think you know everything about your computer? Think again. No matter how tech-savvy we are, there's always room to learn more, especially when it comes to our computers. Today, we're going to dive into some computer hacks that are sure to make your digital life a breeze. Whether you're a Windows user or a Mac user, we've got something for everyone. To kick things off, let's talk keyboard shortcuts. On a Windows system, pressing Windows key plus E launches the File Explorer, while Alt plus Tab lets you switch between open applications. For Mac users, Command plus Space brings up Spotlight for quick searches, and Command plus Tab serves the same purpose as Alt plus Tab on Windows. These shortcuts are not just about speeding up your workflow, they're about making your computer feel like an extension of yourself. Next, let's talk about quick file searches. On Windows, just hit Windows key plus S and start typing the name of the file. On Mac, Command plus Space lets you use Spotlight to search for anything on your system. No more wasting time wading through folders to find that one elusive file. Now, on to optimizing system performance. For Windows users, the built-in disk cleanup tool is your best friend. It helps you free up space on your hard drive by removing unnecessary files. For Mac users, the Activity Monitor is a powerful tool that shows you what's using your system resources, allowing you to close any apps that are slowing your machine down. But remember, these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of computer hacks out there waiting to be discovered. So, don't settle for knowing just the basics. Dive deeper and explore even more, and you'll unlock a whole new level of productivity and efficiency. These computer hacks have just propelled you into new tech skills. The internet, an endless expanse of information and possibilities, and we're about to make it even better. Let's get down to business and uncover the hidden realm of internet hacks. First off, let's talk about browsing. Ever wondered how to navigate the web more efficiently? Well, keyboard shortcuts are going to be your best friend. Pressing Ctrl plus L on your computer instantly highlights the address bar, saving you precious seconds, and Ctrl plus Shift plus T reopens that tab you accidentally closed. Next, let's dive into the world of streaming. Buffering can be a real buzzkill, right? Well, here's a secret. You can improve your streaming speed with a few simple hacks. For instance, watching videos during off-peak hours or clearing your cache can significantly boost your streaming experience. Now, who doesn't love a good deal? When it comes to online shopping, there are a bunch of hacks that can help you score the best prices. One trick is to leave items in your cart for a day or two. Retailers often send out discount codes to entice you to complete your purchase. And don't forget to compare prices across different websites. Moving on, ever heard of incognito browsing? This feature allows you to browse the web without storing local data that could be retrieved later. It's a fantastic tool for privacy and can even help you find cheaper flight tickets as prices aren't inflated based on your search history. And let's not forget about VPNs. Virtual private networks offer a whole new level of internet freedom, allowing you to access content that might be restricted in your area. Plus, they add an extra layer of security to your online activities. In the end, it's all about making the most of your internet experience. By incorporating these hacks into your routine, you'll discover a whole new side of the web. With these internet hacks, surfing the web will never be the same again. Technology is ever evolving, and so should our way of using it. As we stride into the future, it's crucial to stay updated with the latest tech hacks. We're living in an era where technology is not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's intertwined with our lives, making things more convenient and efficient. But we can only harness its full potential when we know the shortcuts, the tricks, and some life hacks. Take the time to keep learning, to keep exploring. Whether it's a new keyboard shortcut, a software update, or an app that streamlines your day, embrace it. These tech hacks are not just about saving time or making tasks easier. They're about enhancing your digital usage, about being a part of a future that's becoming more digital by the day. So don't just use technology, master it. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep hacking your way to a smarter lifestyle. Remember, technology serves you best when you know how to use it well. So there you have it, some helpful tech life hacks to make your life a breeze. We've explored the magic of smartphone hacks, unlocked the power of your computer, and delved into the hidden realm of internet secrets. Embrace these hacks and you'll be navigating your tech world like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and drop a comment of any tech life hacks you know. And don't forget to subscribe to What's Good for more amazing tech insights. Until next time, keep hacking your way to a better tech experience. Hope you enjoyed and come back for more of What's Good.